Take a ride in the 2025 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.